Good afternoon, all my friends, followers and subscribers. I am Rina Kutsia from Mpumalanga, South Africa, our beautiful country. Now I want to speak about honest, the word honest. When you are in a relationship with your hubby, as I said, if you follow me, you will know, I always say that we are, next year, the 1st of May, we will be married 44 years. And YouTube allow me only 3 minutes to say what I want to say. Honest. All right. You must be honest with your hubby. You can't tell lies and think your lies won't come out. A lie is, come let us say, let us say a lie is something that will always come out. You think that if you tell lies behind his back, it won't come out. It will. He will catch you out. Sooner or later, he will catch you out. And then, what about your relationship between you and your hubby? So that is a very big one. You can't tell lies when you are married. So I've got still 1 minute left, because YouTube allow me only 3 minutes to say what is on my heart. So I wish these small videos that I made for you, if there is only one person that I can reach out and help in their marriage, I will be so glad. If there's only one that can learn from when you are in a very happy relationship. So I've got 60 seconds left. I must watch this clock. He's going fast. Yes, honest, as I said. No lies, no lies, no lies. All right. All the best out of South Africa. God bless. Bye-bye.